motor vehicle claims in New York require that a person sustains a serious qualifying injury as defined by the insurance law in New York. For other cases, a premises case or other types of cases, you don't have to have an injury that qualifies. For a motor vehicle accident case, you have to have a serious injury as it's defined under New York's insurance law. The New York State's insurance law serves as like a gatekeeper to prevent certain cases from being able to be brought forward.
The advice I have for someone who's been in a motor vehicle accident would be the following. Most importantly, get immediate medical attention if you're injured. In addition, report the accident. If it's a roadway accident with another vehicle, call the police, or if you're not able to do it, to the extent possible, have someone else call the police so that there can be a report of the accident. I would suggest very strongly that photos and video of the scene of the accident are taken. I would also suggest very strongly that a person who is injured not speak to anyone about their accident unless they know who they're talking to.
In terms of insurance companies, sometimes what they will try to do is reach out to someone who's been injured before they've even reached out to an attorney and see if they can try to resolve the case quickly. And from time to time, an unsuspecting claimant or injured individual will sign something not realizing the full impact of what they're signing, and then that can create a hurdle that prevents them from then pursuing a case afterward.
If a person is in a motor vehicle accident, some of the things we look at would be what type of injuries does that person have? Are those injuries permanent? Are those injuries the type of injuries that would require surgery? Are those injuries the type of injuries that would keep that person from ever being able to work again, from ever being able to pick up a child or a grandchild? And that's why we get to really learn about our clients so that we can understand what's important to them.
If you've been injured in a car accident, whether as a driver or a pedestrian or any other type, we're here for you. We at Lever Ecker are here to help you restore some sense of dignity to your life that you had until the very instant before your accident occurred.